Hooks completely change the way we write React. No more confusing class components. No more worrying about this, just functions and hooks. It's clean, powerful, and easy to manage. All right, let's explore all the major hooks, step by step, and learn how and where to use each one. useState, the very first hook you'll meet. It lets you add state to a functional component. Const count set count equals useState 0. Every time set count is called, your component re-renders with the new value. Perfect for tracking clicks, inputs, toggles, anything that changes over time. Want to run code when your component mounts, or after it updates, or even when it unmounts? useEffect, console.log component mounted. Return console.log component unmounted. You can use it for things like fetching data, subscribing to events, updating the DOM ears. It replaces all the class lifecycle methods. Tired of passing props down 4 or 5 levels? useContext gives your component direct access to shared values like themes, user info, or app settings. First, create a context. JSX const theme context react.create context. Wrap your app with the provider. Theme context.providerValue dark. App. Theme context.provider. Then anywhere in your app, JSX const theme equals useContext theme context. No more prop drilling. useReducer. When state becomes complex, like managing multiple values or actions like in Redux, useReducer gives you better control. JX const state dispatch equals useReducer reducer initial state. Perfect for multi-step forms, toggles, custom logic. Think of it like a mini Redux just for your component. useRef. Need to access a DOM element directly or store a value that doesn't cause re-renders? JSX const input ref equals useRef null. Use it to focus an input, store timers, track previous values. useEffect, input ref.current focus. useMemo helps you remember expensive calculations so they don't rerun every render. Const expensive value equals useMemo. Return compute something data. Only recalculates when data changes. Boosts performance, especially when rendering large lists. useCallback keeps your functions from being recreated on every render. Const handle click equals useCallback, console.log clicked. It's especially useful when passing functions to child components. useLayoutEffect, just like useEffect, but it runs before the browser paints. Use it only when you need to measure DOM sizes or make visual changes before the screen updates. Most of the time, useEffect is better. useImperativeHandle. Use this with forward ref to expose certain methods or values to a parent component. Let's say you want a parent to be able to reset or focus a child input. useImperativeHandle ref, focus, input ref.currentTopFocus. Rarely used, but powerful in custom component libraries. useId, useTransition, useDeferredValue. These are newer React hooks. useId creates a unique ID for accessibility. useTransition keeps UI responsive during big updates. useDeferredValue delays updates to avoid blocking rendering. These are mostly for advanced optimization and smooth UX. Custom hooks. The real magic. You can create your own hooks by combining other hooks. For example, JSX function useWindowWidth. Now you can use useWindowWidth anywhere in your app. Custom hooks help you reuse logic in a clean and modular way. That's a lot of hooks, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep coding with me. See you in the next one.